welcome to another channel, cooking channel. Today I want to show you guys, I want us to make hummus. So I've placed my ingredients here. What you need: you'll need your chickpeas, you'll need the tahini, you need lemon. You can use the lemon juice or just the normal lemon. You need olive oil, you need salt, you'll need 1 garlic, you'll need 3 ice cubes, and you'll need your bowl. And also you have to have your blender here. So let's begin, guys. I've just emptied the chickpeas. I'll add it here. I'll add everything at once and then blend. Not just put one blend. No, I'll just put everything in and I'll blend. Next I'll put tahini, 4 teaspoons of tahini. I've just put all of my chickpeas. I left like maybe a spoon for garnishing later.
Now, let me warm you up. Baby, please, let me love you much. Come on with me, baby. Oh, oh. Never ever leave without me. Oh, oh. Baby, now, let me warm you up. Oh, baby, please, let me love you much. Baby, don't be cold, I will warm you. Every day I reach out here.